2020 Audi RS3 changes. 2020 Audi RS3 Sportback. New cars by. We will discuss details about this car, ranging from reviews, concept, redesign, rumors, exterior, interior, specs, changes, engine, colors, pictures, release date and also prices. Congratulations to read, and we hope you enjoy it, and then we'll come back again here. 2020 Audi RS3. 2020 Audi RS3 Sedan. 2020 Audi RS3 changes. 2020 Audi RS3 Sportback. New cars by. In all honesty, this is probably primarily the major perhaps automobile to indicate the art's unofficial detection. The pleasurable studies falter to terminate there. Diverse to many RS models, the 2020 Audi RS3 will claims. The design was divulged amid the later Paris Auto Show. To begin with, the vehicle occurs with a single external casing grille that elements honeycomb work. A quattro emblem is scheduled in the bottom area of the grille. There may also be a dark innovative change within the splitter. It expands the density of your top sash, the distance aside atmosphere vents. The same as the Sportback, the vehicle's grille is encompassed by LED front lights, nevertheless with one more summarize. The leading lights incorporate customized rs3 LEDs. Buyers can pick matrix-brought designs. In the back, you will discover a trunk area top-rated spoiler and likewise an enormous diffuser with straight blades that upgrades its productive functions. The end additionally includes oblong-designed 2x tailpipes. 2020 Audi RS3 reputation below the maintained taillight surface finishes the quick vehicle look. In front, you will find a sportier, degree-bottomed leading tire covered with Nappa cast skin with RS visuals. Entrance seating goes plus a waiter assisting purchasers, together with the goal to try out their RS3 around the maintains tabs on, can create a choice on much more made chairs that also focus on human brain constraints. Also, the MMI assists the driver to pick among 3 display methods that merge an unusual technique: the location where the tachometer is in the middle when torque, wheel excess fat and G energy flank attach around the aspects. The infotainment system is dealt with using a turning gate on the inside support. The RS3 Sedan is a turbocharged 2.5L, 5-chamber approach. This motor is shaped for creating 400 Hewlett-Packard and 354 pounds-feet of torque. This electric motor was at the beginning produced for the present TTRs. By using this engine, the auto requires just 4.1 cc's to quicken from 0 to 60 miles per hour. Costs information is not readily available, but execute note that the S3 begins from $42,900 inside the United States, with RS types generally commanding a premium of at least 30 units above the S models. It is secure to imagine that this RS3 sedan will get a minimum of $55,000 sufficiently before alternate options. The brand new total performance sedan will likely be revealed from the United States throughout the summertime duration of 2019. Thanks.